What's up guys, Ryan here. So I mentioned earlier in the week that Printful was doing free digitization. So it normally costs $6.50 when you have an embroidery design that sells for the first time. It has to go pass through a graphic designer's desk and they have to optimize it for embroidery, is my understanding, which they charge $6.50. It used to cost, I think, $8.95. So they've brought that price down and made it more affordable. I've mentioned that when you sell embroidery designs, you should at least mark your profit margins up to be about $10 before you account for like the Amazon fee or eBay fee or Etsy fee, etc. That way, when you get that first sale and you have to pay the digitization fee, you're not losing money. I think that's best in case your design only sells once. You don't want to take a loss. So I'm making this video on the 28th of June, which is the last day of free digitization. Hopefully you guys saw my first video when I announced it and you took advantage of it. I definitely sold a couple, I think like at least 3 or 4 new designs that are digitized for free. And you can see here in the screenshot I took that I do mark my prices up a good amount. So like on this sale, before we account for Amazon fees, and there were no advertising fees in this sale, $13.88 of profit. So not bad at all. And what I really wanted to show you in this from this order screenshot that I've blurred out some of the personally identifiable information, but I just wanted to show you that Printful, even on their free digitization week, is doing single day turnarounds sometimes, and on average 1 day turnaround from the time that the order comes in to the time they ship it out. Now I noticed that a couple of times they were doing a single day. So in this case, I got an order through my Amazon store at 8:30 a.m. and they shipped it out to the customer at 3:54 p.m., which is crazy. And then if you could like guarantee 2-day shipping, you could theoretically, I'm not saying we should do this, but you could theoretically do seller fulfilled Prime for your Printful hats. And if you did that, guys, you would be making bank. Prime is where it's at, because obviously so many people have Amazon Prime accounts. They pay for that luxury. And there is such a thing as seller fulfilled Prime, where instead of having to send the products in for FBA, you can, as long as you adhere to the rules of seller fulfilled Prime, which is that you ship it as soon as possible and it's 2-day shipping. And when I say as soon as possible, I think it does have to be within 24 hours. I don't know for sure because I'm not a seller fulfilled Prime user. When I do FBA, I send it into Amazon's fulfillment warehouses. But anyways, it's just interesting that they're able to turn these hats around so quickly these days. And I mean, if you're noticing here too, I think it's kind of blurred out. Let me scroll up here a little bit. Oh, here we go. It was shipped out via DHL Parcel Expedited Max, which is, I believe, 1 to 3 day delivery time. And that was the cheapest shipping option. So they did a single day turnaround time to print and ship the hat. And then the shipping method that was cheapest was Parcel Expedited Max 1 to 3 days, which is just crazy. So those of you, I mean, like, if this is your first exposure to what it's like to be a Printful seller, or you're on the fence like, oh, should I use Printful? Should I use somebody else as my production partner? Like, this is just another reason, like another feather in Printful's cap that you should consider going with them. And, you know, happy customers lead to positive reviews on your products and your seller account. And that helps no matter what marketplace you're selling on, Amazon, Etsy. Those are the 2 ones that I'm getting most of my sales through. But even like a Shopify store, happy customers are the key to this game, because returns will also like kill your profits, and customers seem to be loving the products that I'm selling with Printful fulfilling them, and things like quick turnaround and fast shipping are just icing on the cake. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing. If you have any questions, comments, feedback, hit me up below, and I'll see you at the next one.
Passive Income School is open. Enroll now at ryansmethod.com. Thank you.